Right. Hi there, my Power Hour pals. Jane here, Power Hour Fitness, and welcome to Blizzard Blast. The storm's going to blow in, but it's a quick one. So hold on to your hats. We've got 15 different moves, but don't worry, you can break this up and do the number of moves that you have time for today. The first 5 will use no equipment at all. The second 5, you have the option of using very light weights, 1, 2, 3, at most 5 pounds. The weights are there just to add a little bit of intensity to the movements. They will be low impact movements. The third set of 5 movements you can do with no equipment at all on the floor, or if you happen to own a low bench or riser, you can use a riser such as I'm using to add a little intensity if you want to up it a notch. So I'm going to get the music on. We're going to get warmed up, have those pieces of equipment ready, some water and a sweat towel, and let's get going. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to start with march and a deep inhale. Let's exhale. Oxygen, the foundation of any cardiovascular workout. Yes, just a couple more of these. We really want to lengthen the spine and get good deep breaths going. Great. You're going to take it to a side-to-side step. So this workout you can do after another workout that we've been doing. We're going to go up on a zigzag here. Yeah. Taking it back. Good, again. You might have done a strength training workout and you want to just add a few minutes of cardio to your day on this spot here. Take it behind and open up the chest. Yes, so we can breathe deeply. Great. I'm going to go a little lower now. Start to get the hips going and the glutes back. Abs are in, we're going to reach. Great, now let's reach chest height. Yes, that's it. We've got to reach up. Here we go. Yes. Or you can do it after a cardio workout. Perhaps you've gone for a walk, a hike, a light jog, and you want a few minutes at the end of that. Really pump it up. Maybe give your fitness level that little burst it may need, that nudge. All right. Now I'm going to take it to 3 steps to your left. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. Now when we get over there, we're going to add a little calf pump. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Add that pump. Now just 2 steps across this time. 1, 2, and pump. 1, 2, and pump. Change it up. Just swinging it low. We're going to do a single and pump, keeping the arms just like this. Single, pump. Single, pump. Yes, we've got to get these calves ready because we've got a lot of heel lifts and any kind of cardio workout. Now all pumps. Woo. Let's change up the arms. Big circle. You may choose, here, to do just the first 5 movements. 3, 2, 1. Let's march. Great. Now, I'm going to go to a slam it. So I'm going to do a squat on one end, settle over and go to the other side. Goes like this. Get down there. Settle and down. We get used to sinking the hips down and coming on out. Coming out's the hard part. Big arm. Flex those biceps. Yeah. Last one. All right. Get a sip of water. We're going to get into the first drill. Our feet are up now. So as I was saying, you might want to do sections 1 and 2, all 3. maybe just the ones with the weights and the stuff. You can pick and choose. That's the beauty of a recording. What works for your schedule, for your energy level, and for your goals. All right, first movement, battle ropes. Imagine those heavy ropes in your hand, and you're making them go like a wave. Let's go. So this is a low impact move. You'll see my toes stay grounded. So my hips go back. Embracing this full core region here. Now the back is straight. Not rounding. Yes. And I'm breathing deeply through it. Work the arms and the legs. You got it. Okay, final 4, 3, 2, 1. Just walk it off. And one thing I didn't tell you is you adjust. We're doing each move twice. So keep moving in between. Second time through, I'm going to do 4 front, 4 side, and go around compass turns. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Turn, quarter turn to the side. 3, 2. To the back wall. 4, 3, 2. To the other side wall. 4, 3, 2. Final 4 to the front. 4, 3, 2, 1. And rest. So anytime you need a longer rest, you just pause your device. Take as long a rest as you need. Grab water whenever you need it. Make it work. All right, Heisman hop is next. So 3 little steps, knee up. Just try that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's like a 3 steps to the side. When the knee comes up, then you contract the abs, yeah, and work the core. Nice. Now let's try coming forward with this. Woo! Last one, going back. And rest. Now the second time through, I'm gonna add 3 knees, 3 wide knees, or 4, I should say, 4 wide knees, and then we'll go side to side. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 more of those, and just 4, 3, 2, 1. Got it? Going to this side. 4 knees, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. You know it's coming. 4, 3, 2, 1. Travel. Wide knees. You can do that as slowly or as much energy as you got. And rest. You can always dance in between, right? Your workout, make it fun. Now we've got a starburst dance. You want to modify one leg, pivot. One leg, pivot. Got that? Rewind if you don't. Let's go. Starburst stance. Other side. That's it. This is 4. First it up. 2 more. Yes. Oh yeah, we're working. Breathe, breathe. We're gonna do that one more time. I'm gonna start dancing on this side. We got 8 of them. I'll show the modified. Other side. 3, 4. That means we have 4 left. We can make it small or big. I think that's it. Let's grab some water. Walk it off. Please don't put your head below your heart. You'll end up feeling dizzy. Blood pressure will drop too quickly. Not good. Yeah, I said it was a blast. All right, it's a toughie, this is why I'm giving you a little longer rest. We've got a squat, thrust, crisscross. If you want to modify, grab a chair, a coffee table, something secure that you can lean on. So you can step out, step in, and when you do your crisscross, you can do a low impact, okay? Or you can do a river dance style. All right, let's go. Squat thrust, step out or hop out, and then crisscross. And then you just keep going. Are you working? Yes. Two more. And a rest. Now, good news is, second time through, I'm not gonna do quite as many. But breathe, instead of here, breathe tall, get all that oxygen in the lungs. All right, rest is over. Time to squat thrust, here we go. Not hard enough, you say? You can use a higher arm. Individualized for you. Your heart rate, where you feel your challenge, but you're not gonna die. Last one. Yes, hopefully you're still smiling. All right. I'm gonna move my chair away while I'm resting, so to speak. All right, onto pencil shoes. So, we're gonna come up, make that one of the pencil, or you can call them rocket shooters. So, let's go. I'm gonna try to get my arms right out of the screenshot there. Yeah. Now I'm doing high impact. I'll go slow, you keep the toes grounded, get to the back, and you shoot for the stars. 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. What a way to build bone density. Now, second time through, you can do exactly what you did. If you're advanced, you want more intensity, and never want anyone to say power hour's not hard enough. Option, just for advanced. You can do a hop over, one leg, and a one-legged hop. One-legged pencil shoot. For one-legged or two-legged, I'll start with you with the two-legged. Deep breaths. You want to stay aerobic, not anaerobic. Straight up with those arms. All right, option. Hop, then shoot. Hop, or step. Two more. Last one. All right. I did not do high on that last one. Now, next grouping of 5. If you've had enough, fast forward to the stretch. I'm gonna go on to 5 movements that use very light weights. Of course, you can use no weight at all. And as long as you're breathing hard, that's all that matters. You're gonna strengthen that heart and lungs. The heart and lungs don't know whether you're picking up weights or not. They just know if you're working. All right, we're gonna do a side lunge swing. So let's bring these together, shoulders back. Let's go to your left. Side lunge and swing. Now I'm doing a balance move with this. Totally low impact, but it's fairly dynamic. So let's keep the pace. Abs in. You've got an option to just do one arm. Make it easier. Let's go back, please. Abs in. You never say it enough, but we want to protect our back. Yeah. 2 more. Last one. Yes. Now I want to tell you for the second round, if you haven't already figured this out, when you come up, you can have the feet on the floor. You don't have to add the balance challenge. But if you can, awesome. Shoulders back, let's go. The balance challenge will bring some core muscles into this. As you know, I like to get a little muscle strengthening and balance work in any and all of my workouts, even with a cardio workout. The back and shoulders are working, and the core muscles are working. Yes. We're gonna hang out here. We got a few more reps to get in here. Drop the weights if you're getting fatigued. Well, don't drop them. Place them. 2 more. Last one. Yes. Ooh. Great work. Now, explosive lunge punches. I'm going to move laterally, and when I get to the side, it's a punch. Can't do that with a weight. Try it. Not what you can do. Put the weights away. Okay, I'm going to start at the back, push it up, and punch with one arm. Other arm. Pump it up. Yeah, keeping the energy high, the impact low. So some movements do have high impact options for those who really want to build that bone density, and it drives the heart rate up slightly higher at times. But we don't want to do all high impact moves and risk injury. Push. Last one. Woo. Now, during our little break, shake it out, reset, and curve the back. With the weights above the heart and above most of the spine, it does put a little bit of pressure on the spine, so you want to get lots of back stretches in after this kind of workout. I'm going to start at this end. Shuffle on over. Join me. Doing well. That's right. Now, if you want to add intensity, go lower. Make that extension big. One more each way, and finish it off. Nice. All right, let's grab some water. You know the muscles are soaking it up. Towel off if you need to. You don't want a lot of water or sweat on your floor. Could slip. Safety first. So on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being no work at all, you know, you're lying in bed, 10 being all out, whoa, I can't go any harder. Where are you right now? You want to be somewhere 6, 7, maybe 8, if you're well conditioned and you're used to this kind of work. Okay, let's move on. We're only going to actually use one weight. So, or no weight, of course. Hold it with both hands. I'm going to be doing a front lunge with a kayak kind of a figure 8 arm motion. Let's get started. Now here's the low impact option. It's a big arm. Legs aren't doing as much hopping, so the arms compensate. They're really big. Now if you have advanced cardiovascular fitness level, and your bones, your joints can handle it, you can do power lunge. Four, three, two, and one. Oh, I know you don't want to do it again. We're not going to do too many, I promise. Take a good deep breath. I'm going to start on this leg front. And let's go. Big. Now, if you're not a lunger, remember, you can still do the arms. You can do a nice kind of a mambo step. And push the hips out more than the knee out. That was fun. I better do a couple more. There we go, final breath and rest. All right, we're gonna go laterally again. We know we gotta go in all planes of motion to get full training. So, I'm gonna have my weights above my heart. If it's too much, keep them lower. Okay, we're gonna hop over 1 foot or 2. Hop, little pump. Hop, little pump. Get that breathing rate under control. Remember the option? So the weights are just going up, basically to the top of the head, maybe the temples. 1 more, and rest those shoulders. All right, now I'm gonna do 2 hops and come back for the second round. 1 more deep inhale. Let's go. Pump. Pump. That's it. Final one like this. Now we're just gonna do a couple faster. 1, 2. Last one, and come on back. Only 1 more move with the weights, and those are some tempo skaters. You all know the skater, come across, and goes back. Now you can have the back foot touch the floor, right? Keep it completely low impact. And I'm gonna start off with a slow tempo, just that foot tap. Keep those abs in. If you can get the hips further back, you do so. Last one. Yes, give the back a break. Curve it if you need to. Or if it's more comfortable, you can bring the knee up and release the back in that fashion. Okay, second round. I'm gonna go a little bit further and add more of a hop. If you don't want to, stick to the tap that we were just doing. Make it work. All right. So this one's a little slower, but it requires a bit more balance because I'm landing on one leg. Woo. And I know some of you like to work that balance. We want to prevent falls, and we do that by having trained our core muscles, our legs, ankles, knees, the whole thing. Woo! And of course, the balance. And finished. I'm gonna put the weights away. No complaints there. Water, towel is needed. We're going into the last round. So, if you have top of a step bench, a low platform of some type. Mine's only 4 inches, I think it is. Something low. If not, just do it on the floor. You'll probably be challenged enough anyway. All right, I'll show the floor version first, so you always know what you can be doing. We're gonna start with a running man, running woman. It's like a repeater. So, 1 foot in front, this leg's gonna really work. Optional heel lift in the front, let's go. Your forward on a little angle there, it's gonna brace the core, right? That's gonna prompt you to do that. Keep going, show it on the step, a little tougher. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we've got the other side. So, other leg in front. Don't wait for the music, here we go. That's it. You can do it on a little elevation to make it more challenging. Are you working? I hope so. Keep going, keep going. I'm just going to adjust here. Yes. That's it. Woo. Finish it off. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, 4 moves left, we can do it. Swim lunges. Lunge means it's gonna go like this. You don't have to put a lot of pressure on the knee. You don't have to go too deep if you don't wish to. So we're gonna swim for the first arm variation. Are you ready? As ready as we're ever gonna be? Push that water away. Yes. All right, we're gonna reach low. Punch it down. Good. Now, clap and slap. So I'm up high. You can be down low. Four, 3, 2, 1. All right. We're gonna go through those 3 arm patterns one more time. I'll show the option you can do on a platform. Very fun. Love this one. Start on the top. We're gonna swim. Yeah. Come yet. Let's reach down. Good. Slap and flop. Hang out with me. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Recover. Walk around. Get your breath. Get your water if needed. Fast feet are coming up. So, show you the option on the floor. Take a good deep breath. There you go. Now, this is quite advanced. You can tap. But get that whole body into it. Yeah. Faster if you wish. On the step, toe taps. Woo! If you have a staircase near you, you can try putting the feet up on the staircase, but it's tough. I'm warning you. And rest. Okay, second round. If you wish to go faster, do so. But you know, or go with me on a football run. Let's go. Now this is fast feet. Abs, shoulders open. Now, keep going. Remember, you've got this option, or this option. If you're on the bench, you can do fast feet on the bench. I do it. Bringing out the inner child, keep going. Couple more seconds. Your choice of movement. The legs are jiggling, and we rest. All right. We're gonna do 3 counts, knee lift. 3 counts, knee lift. All right? Take that deep breath. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, knee. 1, 2, 3, knee. Knee. That's it. Keep it going. Do whatever you want with the arms. You can shoot them higher if you wish. One more. And rest. Stretch out if you're getting tight. The hip flexors are getting tight. You can always stretch them down. We've got one more round of those. I'm going to show them on the bench in case that's your option. That's your preference today. Start with that exhale, and then go. 1, 2, 3, knee. 1, 2, 3, knee. Now, if you wish, you can do an outer thigh lift. Or not. One more. Woo! All right, we've got one left. Tops in a box. We're going to create the shape of a rectangle or a box. Up, across, back, and across. One-legged hop, of course, for low impact. Two-legged for high. Let's go. Up, across, back, across. And rest. Last time through, I'm going to show it on the bench. Start on the other side. We're going to go this direction first. Here we go. That's it. Almost there. Rest. Excellent. So take a check on that heart rate. Where are you on that scale of 1 to 10? You want to be in that work zone, 6, 7, maybe 8. Working hard for sure, right? I'm going to put my equipment away, get some water. Now, just till the music runs out, we're going to do a run and back. You want to use a weight, put it down and pick it up. Run, this is a little bonus, and run. Run and pick it up. Run and place it down. Run. Oh, gotta pick it up. Place it down. Now, if you wish, and you don't get too confused, you can use 2 weights for this run. Put one down. Woo! Got an old floor? That's very slanted. There. All right. Time for a lovely stretch. So glad you can join me for this stretch, the recovery. Let's take a deep breath in. I'm going to keep the legs moving so the blood keeps flowing through the body. Nice and deep. And exhale through the mouth. Yoga style breathing. It's out through the nose. You've got 2 options there. Last one. Great, I'm going to take it into a nice circle here with those weights that you may have used, a lot of shoulder work, going bigger, making the circle as big as I can, working through the ankles and feet, and just standing tall. Great, to the front. Nice. Now I'm going to take it to the side and do a circle with the feet stationary. Oh, I'm thinking those circles are getting even bigger. Yes. Last one here. Other side. Reach. Oh, that torso feels so nice and limber. Heart rate's coming down. And last one. Great. Let's put the hands above the knees. We're going to have the shoulder come into the center. Go to the other side. We'll roll that up. Let's come down with the chest forward and roll it up. One more time like that. Chest leads the way, hips up, and now the mid back really leads the way. Yes. Circle it around, clasp. We're going to open the chest, reset the posture so you walk out feeling tall, proud, and very accomplished. And breathing deeply. Good. We're going to bring this to the front. You get the upper back to really open up. Grab the wrist gently, pull a little bit to the side. And the other side. Take that up. We're going to have a slight back bend. Excellent. If you have a wall you can lean against, we'll do our half stretch leaning. If you don't, you can put your hands above your knee and still push that heel toward the floor. Help it tilt so it's not here. Shoulders down, chest is still open. Neck is feeling nice and long. A few more seconds. Exhale, feel it lengthen. Go to the other side. So proud of you. I know there might be days in the winter, in particular, where your outdoor activities may not be able to be done easily. The walking might be icy underfoot or just too windy or cold or whatever for safety. And I'm going to go back to the first side. Come on up. Tip my hips forward. Sink down just a little. Enough that I feel this opening up. Look down. This Blizzard Blast can get you that cardio training. So throughout the winter, regardless of the climate, you can keep the heart and lungs strong in a very little period of time. Let's go to the other side. Yes. Just before you go, just stretch out those hamstrings so you get the rest of the leg here. Feels so nice, especially if you have to sit a lot in your day. Always nice to fit in a hamstring stretch. Go to the other side. Hips are back. After those first few stretches, your back is feeling hopefully strong but long. Excellent. Let's roll it up. Take a final inhale. You can smile. You've accomplished so much in just a few minutes. I thank you for your energy, and I hope to see you next workout.